My tip of the day is in Windows 11, there is a snap feature to open multiple windows on a computer screen. So right now I am coming live at my bird feeder. We had some snow earlier today. And what this allows you to do is be more productive, and it works with programs, it works in Chrome. So the way this works, there's two ways that you can actually work. The first way is if you scroll up to the top next to the X, that box, you'll see these windows pop up when you hover over this. Now what this does, it gives you options how you want to lay things out, and depending upon your screen resolution, you may have more to be able to use or less, but here in my case, let's just say I want to have a side by side. So here you could pick which side you want. So let's just say I want on the left, I hover over that, then I click on it. Now it sets it up on the left-hand side. However, now let's just say on the right-hand side, I want to fill in that right-hand space, and I got another window open. Let's just say I am gonna come here, I want my YouTube Studio, or let's just say even in Excel. So there you go. So that allows you to be able to pick the options that you want. Now, if you want to change this, again, you can highlight over it. Let's just say you want 4 quadrants. You want this one to be on the top right. There you go. Now you have these others that you can use to fill this in. So you can come here, you could pop the right, upper left, clicked on that. Let's just say you want the Facebook here, and you want that to go here. There you go. So now you could pick all 4, and this will allow you to set it up this way. Now, if you want, you can just click the maximize, and that will stretch everything out. The other option that you can do is if you click on Start with your Windows and Z, that will pop it up as well. So there you go. Now you got the option. So let's just say you want this layout here. You can go 5, and then here you could just have a little section there. So you can really get creative how you want to do this. It really can make it more productive for you when you're at your computer. This is for Windows 11, Windows 10. I know it's done a little differently, but this is Windows 11. And this is called the Snap feature. I will also put here, there is a little bit more information on it where you can learn more about it, including about Windows 10. So there you go. That is my tip of the day. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope this was of help. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.